Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a local user account on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best results should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. So your view by up at the top right to large icons, and then you want to go down and select user accounts near the bottom, and then select where it says manage another account, and then locate the other account you want to remove. So this is a second account. You have to have at least one account on your computer, so delete the other account, and one of those has to be an administrator account, by the way. So locate the account you want to delete, select delete this account, select either delete files or keep files, which can be moved over to your desktop on this system or this user account that you're not deleting, whatever your preference may be. Just select delete files, delete account, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.